Why offices are ditching old scanners. Epson DS-1630 review. Your next upgrade? Ever sat there watching your ancient scanner grind through papers slower than your Monday morning mood? You're not alone. Offices everywhere are choking under outdated, clunky machines that jam, miss pages, and waste precious hours. Maybe you felt that sinking frustration, juggling stacks of paperwork, rescanning lost docs, and battling clunky interfaces. Whether you're managing invoices or digitizing files, working with unreliable scanning tools steals your focus and drains motivation. It's death by 1,000 pages. And if your team's already tired of hearing, "Sorry, I'm still scanning," trust me, it's not your fault. It's your gear. Now imagine the stress multiplying. Deadlines crashing down, managers breathing over your shoulder, and you're stuck rescanning wrinkled contracts, again. Every second spent fixing paper jams or waiting for slow scans means missed opportunities, rising tension, and creeping burnout. Small business, big office, doesn't matter, when your scanner fails you, productivity spirals. Think about that fragile passport that gets chewed up or that last-minute presentation you can't email because your scanner went AWOL. This isn't just annoying, it's costing you time, clients, and credibility. You can't afford that chaos anymore. Enter the Epson DS-1630. Your office's productivity superhero. This isn't your grandpa's scanner. We're talking 25 pages per minute, a 50-page auto-document feeder, and a flatbed for fragile items like passports and IDs. Duplex scanning? Built-in. TWAIN and ISIS drivers? Included. Cloud uploads to Google Drive, SharePoint, Evernote? Yep, one click. Plus, Epson's intelligent image processing means autocrop, deskew, and blank page removal, so your scans are crisp every time. With a 3-year warranty and next business day replacement, it's like having IT support built in, without the eye-watering service fees. Picture this. Stress-free scanning, minimal downtime, and a workflow that just works. No more losing hours to scanning disasters. Imagine simplified document handling, smoother uploads, and reliable, fast scanning day after day. From small office heroes to corporate task slayers, the DS-1630 delivers razor-sharp focus and performance across the board. Want to see how? Stick around and let's explore why this scanner's earning raves in offices worldwide, and why your team deserves this upgrade too. Let's cut to it. Stop letting old tech sabotage your workflow. Thousands of professionals trust Epson to handle their critical documents, why not you? Limited stock is moving fast. Don't wait until your next scanner meltdown. Hit the link, grab your Epson DS-1630 today, and transform the way your office works. Buy now. Secure yours today. Join the future of hassle-free scanning. Your productivity's waiting, seize it.